Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's the big day. As you can see, the Jeep is stripped down. No more fenders, no light bars, no rocker panels, no more decal. Let me show you what we're gonna be doing today. As you guys know, I've been toying with the idea of lining my Jeep. Today I'm here at the Jeep Gone Wild shop. This is their Jeep. They have a 10th anniversary. And this is exactly what I want to do. It's all lined, impenetrable with scratches. Can't wait. So, spare tire is detached. Tail lights are off. Jeep is ready now to get taped off and sanded. We removed all the rubber gasket from the doors. Windows are down for now. We are taping off the Rubicon symbol. Front grille is removed, hinges are removed. Kevin is diligently cutting away at the Rubicon symbol. Figured what better way to start the video off than begin with sanding. Set up this here. No turning back now, guys. If you haven't subscribed by now, now's a good time. I'm gonna start sanding the whole Jeep down. I'll do a time lapse. I'll come back to this, guys. So far we've scuffed everything. We gave it a quick wipe, taped everything off, getting it ready. Still can see the Jeep Gone Wild right there. Looks good, it's coming together. Getting ready to shoot it. Check back in a few minutes. So the time has come. We're ready to start spraying. We have everything wrapped, prepped, wiped down. We're gonna hit the entire Jeep with a adhesion promoter. We have the grill here, the eyebrow. I'm gonna be doing the engine bay cover. We came up with this system to hold my half doors. These are the JCR half doors. And with the 3x6, I believe it is, holding all the half doors there, they'll get sprayed at the same time as the rest of the Jeep. Everything will be one color, one texture. We're all set. Super excited. Can't wait to see it. I'll come back once we start spraying. Before we mix the Raptor liner with the hardener and get it ready, one of the key ingredients that isn't listed in any of the do-it-yourself videos that I've noticed is this product right here, the Smart Adhesion Promoter. Basically, after you wipe down the Jeep, after it's been scuffed and cleaned, you spray everything with this. It'll give it a nice sticky surface for the liner to adhere to and work better, less likely to chip or flake off. It's just an extra peace of mind. You're just gonna lay it on nice and easy, nothing too thick, and it dries almost instantly. I'm gonna finish doing this side of the Jeep as well as the half doors, and we'll come back as right before we mix the hardener and the Raptor and the tint all together. Show you guys how to do that. Okay guys, so it's finally time to shoot. I have my tint here. I went with the stock color. I kept the PGK tank color. So I have that here. And just to walk you through, here's the gun that comes with the kit, the hardener, the bottles. I got 2 kits. I might need a little bit more, but we're gonna see. Let me just show you how this works. This is the tintable one. Open it up. So that's what it looks like without the tint. It's kind of milky white. We're gonna add our tint to this, then fill the rest up with the hardener, put the gun on, and we're gonna shoot. Wish us luck, guys. Let's do it. Now, it's very important. All the instructions do say you have to shake this for 2 minutes, and that is important, but don't start shaking it before you add the hardener. Add the tint, add the hardener, fill it up to the line, and go from there. I'll be right back with our first shot. Guys. Getting ready to finally shoot it. Sorry it's loud, the compressor is on. It's go time. So here's the finished product, guys. Let it cure overnight. Peeled the tape yesterday. Brought it home. Last night I started putting it back together. It's about 90% back together. I still have to put the light bar back on, the pods, the rear bumper, but everything else is back on. I am ecstatic about how this looks. Rubicon came out great. Taped it off, peeled it after it dried. I did swap the front grille back. I needed something to break up the color, and with the eyebrow and the black gloss black grille, I think it looks really good. What do you guys think? I'll attach a picture of it before and after with this. Put the badges back on, got them as centered and equal as possible. I'm really happy with the way this came out. Oh yeah, also, the inserts for the doors, I had them done as well. Rear bumper's not on yet, but I'm really happy with how this came out. Again, I gotta thank Jeep Gone Wild, the Kevlar team, Kevin and Laura, my wife Brenda. everyone put their hands on it, helped me out with this. Again, guys, thanks for always for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. A lot more things planned. Jeep's coming along great. If you have any questions or anything about the liner, let me know. I'll try to answer anything that you guys have. What do you guys think? Should I keep this grill, or should I go back to the stock one that's lined? I love it. I can't stop looking at it. I gotta get to work. Have a good one, guys.